Imagine a machine so massive it defies imagination, a flying giant, revered across the globe. This is the Antonov An-225 Mriya, the world's largest cargo plane. With wings that stretch wider than a football field and an unmatched legacy in aviation, the Mriya isn't just an aircraft, it's a monument to human achievement. The Antonov An-225 Mriya, whose name translates to dream in Ukrainian, holds more world records than any other cargo plane. At over 275 feet in length, capable of carrying up to 250 tons, the An-225 was designed for heavy lifting on a scale previously unthinkable. Its presence at air shows draws crowds in awe, fascinated by the 6 powerful engines, massive landing gear, and unmistakable silhouette. But how did this extraordinary marvel come to be? The history of the An-225 begins in the 1980s, deep within the Soviet Union. The Cold War was an era defined by ambitious technological projects, and the Soviets needed a carrier for their Buran space shuttle and oversized cargo. The Antonov Design Bureau rose to the challenge, adapting the successful An-124 model into this colossal airframe. Construction began in 1984, and by 1988, the An-225 made its first flight, immediately breaking records for weight, size, and capacity. The Mriya was born as a problem solver, tasked with transporting not just spacecraft, but also unthinkably large freight, turbines, generators, humanitarian supplies. Its versatility turned it into a vital workhorse for global logistics, regularly completing missions impossible for any other aircraft. The An-225 could carry items weighing more than entire fleets of trucks, and its unique cargo bay made it ideal for rapid deployment in disaster relief efforts. Yet its operational history is marked by periods of both intense activity and quiet dormancy. After the collapse of the Soviet Union, the Buran program ended. The An-225 was placed in storage for several years, awaiting a new purpose. In the early 2000s, global demand for heavy cargo flights revived the aircraft, sparking renewed interest in its unparalleled capabilities. The An-225 didn't just move cargo, it became an ambassador of engineering. Its flights were celebrated events, covered by news outlets and aviation enthusiasts worldwide. Whether transporting wind turbine blades, locomotives, or massive industrial equipment, the Mriya routinely amazed onlookers with its size and performance. Its iconic white and blue livery became a symbol of hope, especially when delivering urgent humanitarian aid during international crises. Unfortunately, the fortunes of this legendary plane have changed dramatically. In February 2022, during the invasion of Ukraine, the Antonov An-225 was destroyed at Hostomel Airport near Kyiv, an event that shocked aviation communities everywhere. Despite the loss, the legacy of the Mriya lives on. Engineers and supporters have discussed plans to rebuild or restore the An-225, drawing on spare parts and the existing second airframe that was never completed. The dream, Mriya, remains, even as the original aircraft's future hangs in uncertainty. Today, the An-225 is remembered not just as a technical marvel, but as a symbol of resilience, ingenuity, and cooperation. Its impact stretches beyond records and cargo. The Mriya is a testament to the boldness of human creativity, proof that when faced with impossible challenges, we can build dreams that soar across the skies. As we reflect on its journey, from Soviet innovation to global icon, and now to a poignant chapter in history, we're reminded that while physical machines may falter, the spirit of dreaming big endures. The Antonov An-225 Mriya inspired generations, showed how new horizons could be reached, and continues to motivate us to pursue our own remarkable dreams.